Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to our today's class. Dear students, we all know about the economic condition of Bangladesh. And in previous class, we have discussed about our main industrial sectors. I hope you all are understand about it. Students, Bangladesh is a developing country, and the industries of Bangladesh are gradually increasing, and the condition of industries also gradually developing. Students, do you think what is the contribution of industrial sector or industry in Bangladesh to the society or to our economy? Yes, students, today we will discuss about the contribution of industry to socio-economic development of Bangladesh. Before discussing this topic, I have a question. Do you know what is the socio-economic development? What do you mean by socio-economic? Yes, students, here socio means society and economic means the economic condition of Bangladesh. That means what is the contribution of industrial sector in our society and in our economy. At first, we discuss about the economy of Bangladesh. Think, students, when our industries are developing or our industries are increasing, that time our production also increasing. And when our production is increasing, also we have export many product. And when we are exporting a product, that time we have earned many foreign currency, and our economic condition is getting better position. And when our economic condition, when our inner production is increasing, that means when we fulfill our inner demand or our own people demand, that time obviously we did not we don't take loan, or we don't take any aid from the foreign country. That is also the better condition of our economy. And so we can say that when our industry is developing, obviously our economy is also developing. Now our society, when our economic condition is developing, that time obviously our society also developing. But why? What is the element of our society? In our society, we have education sector, we have all things. Our industrial sector also the part of our society, and our economy also are the part of our society. Our agriculture also the part of our society, and our social security system, our cultural system, that all are the part of our society. When any country's economic condition is developing, that time obviously the condition of education system is developing, and the farming system or agricultural system get many types of modern equipments and many types of modern facilities for better production. And also the social security system also get very modern or proper a security system. And in all sector, our cultural sector also be developed when our economy is developing. So that when the economic condition is developing, that time we can say that our social system or our society also developed. And when our economic condition is better, our per capita also increasing. When our per capita is increasing, our standard of living is increasing. And when our standard of living is increasing, or our standard of living become high, that time obviously we can say that our society is developing. Students, that's all for today's. And what is the I have that's all for today's discussion. I hope you are understand about the contribution of industrial sector. I give a lecture sheet and a worksheet for you in website. Please read the book at first and the and the lecture sheet, and solve the worksheet, and after that send to me. Thank you very much, students.